trust me. No, I do trust you, but I don't really know what's inside it. Yeah. That's what I decided. I don't wanna ask. Ah, okay. Yes, my song is back. Well, hi guys. I'm not happy. I'm definitely not happy. I'm not happy. And I'm not going to take put on a lipstick right now because I have to eat first. So hey, my darlings. I do feel like I should have put a top underneath because my nipples are out. Thank you, my darlings. As but I have stress. You guys, I have to go and eat now. I have to go and eat right now. Hi, I'm Dlamini. Like, I don't even know what to say. a black woman. I was born in Swaziland. I was bred in Eswatini. And the scent of the day has to be my Rabanay 1 million. It's almost done, you know. I think I think in 2 days I'll have my last drops. It's my Rabanay 1 million. I haven't had well, it's finishing up. I gotta go and get it. Okay, I'm coming, guys. I have to love and leave you because I have to eat. I have to. I'm traveling, guys. Um, Thank you so much for joining my live, guys. I will come back on this live later on the day, maybe in the evening when I'm with my family and friends. So we will see each other later. I promise to come back, whether you guys like it or not. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. I have to go eat now so that I can go. Thank you so much.